lovies, so welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Timmy Love. So y'all, I've been missing for a minute, but I'm back. Okay, anyway, so what are we doing in this video? I am installing a wig, right? So I'm trying to do this whole bald cap thing, which I never do. I never install my wigs doing like, this type of method. I always just throw the stocking cap on, put foundation on it, and call it a day. But I wanted to see, like, would it lay more flat? um and I did notice a difference, but I mean, not much of a big difference than how I usually install them. So this wig was, I believe, 20 inches. I'll go ahead and insert a picture on the screen showing y'all where I got the unit from off of Amazon. I did get it from the Amazon Vine program, but I do have the seller's information. So with the glue that I'm using, you want to let it dry completely clear. I am super impatient, but eventually it dried down clear. And I did not bleach the knot, so I'm just going in with some foundation to kind of get that lace to blend in better with my skin tone. And the color of the powder is the 355 deep. And the glue that I'm using is by Kiss. So they had a little kit where they have the glue and then they have the remover. So you're just going to see me like putting the glue on there, and they say do a thin layer. Girl, I ain't doing a thin layer. But it all turned out fine. This is the wig on. As you can see, you see where it's still white. I was being very impatient. But it's going to turn clear by the time I get done. It was clear. So I'm just going to go ahead really and let y'all just continue to watch the video. I do like how easy it was to style this wig. It does not hold tight curls, but if you put some layers in it and you go ahead and curl them, you'll have some, really cute layers. But if you're trying to do something like some really tight spiral curls, it will not hold. This unit is good for tousled curls or just layers. I really did love how this unit felt. It was so soft. I really love this unit, y'all. So like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and let y'all finish watching the video, and at the end I did insert some pictures so you guys can see how I decided to style it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe once again, and share this video, guys, and I will talk to you guys later. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next one. So y'all, we are literally still working on this same wig. So I pulled out these crimps because I think I want to crimp it a little bit, I guess. I don't know. So the lace is okay. It's okay. So I'm trying to do like the no part look, right? But I want this part like flatter. And I don't know if it's the wig or what, but like I just want like the no part look going on. So I feel like this should be like a little bit back there, but I don't know if I should do crimps or if I should just do some more layers and curls, because I could cut layers in it and add some curls. And then I'm like, what if we do layers? Like frame my face a little bit. Just go in and kind of like. The one thing about the wigs though, once you cut on them, honey, ain't no turning back. So be sure about what you want to do. So, yeah, so this is how we looking so far. I feel like I need to pluck a little more, but I feel like I don't need to pluck a little more because I don't want to pluck too much. And it plucks really good though. Maybe I'll just put like a little bit right here. And I'm actually going up in the hair. I'm not like going right where the hair is. I'm just going like up in there. So you guys probably can't tell, but I can. You guys, literally when I curled this unit, I put these cute curls in it and they did not hold at all. I don't know why. I think the hair is just really a little too silky, but as far as like straightening it out and making it straight, this unit is perfect for that. And like I said, layers, so it will hold layers. It just won't hold like the spiral curls. So yeah. So we did some layers. So lovies, I did want to show you guys what it looks like without any filters or anything, and what it looks like under my softbox light. So this is what it looks like. You can tell that I did not bleach the knots. Maybe next time I go in and bleach the knots, maybe not. I wasn't tripping too much, but yeah, if you don't want this look, make sure you bleach your knots, ladies. All right, y'all, talk to y'all later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.